Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I'm at Auto Credit Canada, and well, it's about -7 degrees out, and as you can see, it's snowing. And we're doing some cold starts. This is a 2008 Toyota Matrix in blue. It's got aluminum wheels with winter tires on the wheels. Same thing as a Pontiac Vibe. Both the same car. They're made in the same plant. Excuse me. Yeah. And this one here has 104,000 kilometers on it. Says it's -6 degrees out. It's about right. I think these have a 1.8 liter in under the hood. Yeah. This one's nothing too fancy, but it's not that bad. It's a Toyota. It runs and runs and runs some more. This one also has the window flares on it and the bug deflector. Down there. And under the hood, we have a 1.8 liter inline 4-cylinder. I think it puts out like 135 horsepower or something like that. Not bad. These Toyotas like to run and run and run. If I'm not mistaken, that's a timing chain engine as well, so there's no maintenance on the engine. Maybe a bit of an exhaust leak. I'm not too sure if that's just how it sounds warming up or... Oh yeah, there's an exhaust leak, I think. And it's a trim level XR. You can pop the glass only on this. Maybe it doesn't have an exhaust leak. Maybe that's just the way the muffler sounds. Anyway, I have Arctic Claw winter tires. Power mirrors, power windows, power locks, all the necessary stuff. Runs good. And like most Toyotas, it probably drives really good too. Because, well, like I said, Toyotas just run and run and run and run some more. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button as well as subscribe for more. Have a great day, everyone.